Have you ever looked at someone and thought, "Wow, how are they so confident?" Here's the truth. They weren't born that way. Confidence isn't magic. It's science. And the best part? Anyone can build it. Even you. In this video, you'll learn how confidence actually works and how you can start believing in yourself even if you don't right now. Oh, and no, you don't need to scream affirmations in the mirror. Unless your mirror enjoys that kind of thing. Let's talk about what holds most people back. You want to speak up, but your heart races. You want to try something new, but fear stops you. That little voice says, "What if I mess up? What will people think?" You're not weak. You're not lazy. Your brain is just trying to protect you from failure, embarrassment, or change. But here's the problem. If you listen to that voice too often, it becomes your truth. So how do we break out of it? Let's break this down simply. First, your brain can change. This is called neuroplasticity. If you keep taking small brave actions, your brain starts to believe, "I can handle this." Second, confidence grows when you take action. Try, learn, get better, feel more confident. That's called the confidence-competence loop. Third, start with small wins. Make your bed. Speak up once a day. Finish a task. Every win is a message to your brain. I do what I say I'll do. And finally, act like the person you want to become. Not fake. Just bold. The more you act confident, the more real it becomes. And no, walking like a superhero for 30 seconds won't make you Iron Man. But hey, it's a start. Here's how you become unstoppable. 1. Say yes to things that scare you. 2. Track your small wins daily. 3. Don't fear failure. Use it. Learn. Adapt. Repeat. Remember, confident people aren't fearless. They just act despite the fear. But here's the secret most people don't know. If you really want long-lasting confidence, you have to go deeper. You have to reprogram the way your brain thinks. Now I want to hear from you. What's one moment in your life when you felt truly confident? Or, what's holding you back right now from believing in yourself? Drop it in the comments below. I read every one of them. If this video helped you even a little, give it a like to let me know. And if you want more content like this on mindset, success, and personal growth, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss what's next. And remember, your confidence is just the beginning. To truly level up, you need to rewire how your brain works. So click right here to watch how to reprogram your brain for success. Trust me, it's a game changer.